Hello children, myself Sanjay Kumar Gupta. I am welcoming in this e-learning class of mathematics for class 6, chapter 4, perimeter and area. Students, in last classes we have talked and read about perimeter and area, as well as we have seen some of the questions related to this topic. Now some more questions are there which to be said to you. Now the first question is given: if 5 square flower beds, each of size 2 meter, are done on a piece of land 15 meter long and 10 meter wide, find the area of the remaining part of the land. Means यहाँ क्वेश्चन क्या कर रहे हैं कि एक जमीन है जो 15 मीटर लंबा और 10 मीटर चौड़ा है, और इसमें 2 मीटर साइड वाले फ्लावर बेड बने हुए हैं। तो इस फ्लावर बेड के अतिरिक्त उस जमीन का कितना हिस्सा बाकी है, उसका क्षेत्रफल क्या है। सो वी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ rectangular part, and then we find area of 5 square beds, and then we subtract. So write as area of rectangular part is equal to length into breadth. So length is 15 meter and breadth is 10 meter square. 15 tens are 150 meter square. Now area of 5 square flower beds is equal to 5 into a square. So 5 into 2 square meter square. Then it will be 5 into 2 into 2, 4 is equal to 20 meter square. Therefore, area of remaining part of land is equal to total area minus area of flower bed. Minus area of flower bed. 150 minus 20 meter square, it is 130 meter. Now second question is there, we find the area in rectangular meters of a piece of cloth 1 meter 25 centimeter wide and 4 meter long. So children, first of all we need to change this width in meter. Then write here the length is equal to 4 meter and breadth is equal to 1 meter 25 cm, means 1.25 meter. Therefore, area of the cloth is equal to length into breadth, means 4 into 1.25 meter square. It will be 5.00, means 5 meter square. The third question is telling that a die is a square of side 20 centimeter. So how many such tiles would be required to cover the floor of a square bathroom of side 3 meter? यानी एक 3 मीटर साइड वाला बाथरूम है, इसके फ्लोर पर 20 सेंटीमीटर साइड वाले कितने स्क्वायर टाइल्स लगेंगे? So children, first of all we have to find both area and then they will be divided to get the number of tiles. So write your required number of tiles. Is equal to area of bathroom over area of one tile. Area of bathroom is given side square, so one side is of 3 meter. So 3 meter will be converted into centimeter as our tiles measurement is in centimeter. So the bathroom's floor also be in centimeter. So 3 cm means 300 centimeter. 300 into 300 centimeter square upon area of tile is 20 into 20 centimeter square. Now 2 centimeter will be cancelled and cut it in 15 times. Again cut them in 15 times. Again 15 into 15 means 225 tiles are being required. Now next question is that the perimeter of a rectangular glassy plot is 189 meter and the breadth is 10.5 meter. So find the length and area of the plot. Means एक rectangular plot है जिसका perimeter दिया है 189 मीटर जबकि breadth है 10.5 मीटर. तो length और area find out करना है. So therefore first of all we use the formula of getting length of rectangle. So here we write perimeter is equal to 189 meter and breadth is equal to 10.5. Student, it will be easy to convert it in fraction as 21 by 2. Okay. Now length. So I write down length of length of plot can be got by perimeter as perimeter by 2 minus breadth. Okay. Now perimeter is given 189 by 2 minus breadth is given 10.5 or right 21 by 2. LCM of 2 will be 2 and 2 divides 2 in one time. So 1 multiply 189 into 189 times again minus 21 as your division will be got 1. Now subtract 9 minus 1 8 and 18 minus 2 16 over 2 means 2 8 are 16 and 2 4 are 8 meter. Students, now the length of the plot is 84 meter. Now we have to get the area of the plot. So we write again, area of the plot is equal to length into breadth. The length is given 84 meter and breadth is given 10.5. 10.5 means 21 by 2 meter square. Again 2 divides 84 in 42 times and 42 will be multiplied by 21 as 21 2s are 42. Remainder 4 and 21 4s are 84 and 4 88 meter. Fifth question is telling the length and breadth of a rectangular part are in the ratio 5:3 and its perimeter is 128 meter. To find the area of the part. So children, first of all we need to get the original length and breadth of the part. Then we write let the length and breadth are height x meter and 3x meter. Therefore, perimeter of part is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Then it is given 128 is equal to 2 into 5x plus 3x meter. Now we write here 128 is equal to 2 into 8x. So 128 is equal to 8 to the 16x. Then we find x. X is equal to 128 over 16. So 16 is 128. So x is equal to 8. Now the length. Length is equal to 5x. No? 5x means 5 into 8 is equal to 40 meter and breadth is equal to 3x means 3 into 8 is equal to 24 meter. So therefore, area of the plot. Area of the part is equal to length into breadth. Then length is 40 meter and breadth is 25 meter square. 24 for 96 is 960 meter. Now the next question is telling find the area of a square whose diagonal is 5 centimeter. Therefore, area of a square at diagonal is given 5√2 0. Therefore, area of a square is equal to 1/2 into diagonal square. So we write 1/2 into 5√2 into 5√2 cm square. Then we write 1/2 into 5 into 5 25 and √2 and √2 will be 2 cm square. 2 and 2 cut, it will be 25 centimeter. Now students, in this figure the length of first figure is 8 meter, while breadth is 2 meter. In second figure, length is given 10 meter and breadth is 6 meter. And in third figure, length is 12 meter and breadth is 2 meter. So we find area of this figure. So area of first is equal to length into breadth, means 8 into 2 is equal to 16 meter square. Again, area of figure 2, length into breadth. So length is given 10 meter and breadth is 6 meter. It will be 60 meter square. And area of figure 3rd, again length into breadth. So length is given 12 meter and breadth is 2 meter, means 24 meter square. Therefore, total area of the figure is equal to, add them, 6 and 4, 10, carry 1, 2, 6, 8 and 2, 10, means 100 meter. Now students, in this figure, first of all we make the plot and join it. Now here, first figure form, now join this, then second and third figure are formed. So in first figure, length is given 8 meter and breadth 4 meter. In second figure, the total length will be 16 meter and breadth will be 4 meter, while in third length is 4 and breadth is also 4 meter square. Then find area of figure 1 is equal to length into breadth, means 8 into 4 is equal to 32 meter square. Again, area of figure 2, length is 16 and breadth is 4, is 64 meter square. And area of figure 3rd is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16 meter. So total area add them, 2, 4, 6 and 6, 12 and 1, 4, 6, 10 and 1. Now students, your chapter has been finished and complete your homework copy. Thank you.